Imagine charging 4 devices at once with just one charger. That's the magic of the Belkin 4-port USB-C charger block. This powerhouse delivers a whopping 200 watts, fast charging your MacBook, iPhone 17, and even a Nintendo Switch 2 simultaneously. No more juggling multiple chargers or running out of outlets. With its cutting-edge GaN technology, not only is it fast, but it's also ultra-efficient, keeping your devices safe while they power up. The Belkin charger smartly allocates power, delivering exactly what each device needs, thanks to its intelligent power sharing. And if you're worried about sustainability, rest easy, knowing its housing is made from 72% recycled content. Now let's talk convenience. The 5-foot detachable power cord gives you the flexibility to place it where you need without being chained to a wall outlet. Plus, with a 2-year warranty and a $2,500 connected equipment warranty, you're covered for peace of mind. On the flip side, at $125.50, it's a bit of an investment. And while its solid build is great for home use, it might not be your go-to travel companion due to its heft. Overall, with a stellar 4.8 out of 5 stars rating, it's a top choice for those needing robust charging power at home. Ready to simplify your charging game? Check the link in the description to get yours today.